pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic of which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
Congratulations to the following students for their leadership roles for the FHS Marching Band 2020-2021 school year. Drum Major, Jackson Thornton. Music Leader, Waylon Simpson. Marching Leader, Ariana Simmons. Field Leader, Brody Jones. Drumline Section Leader, Ben Elkins. Uniform Leader, Eden Whitlock. And Leading Crew Manager, Caleb Manus. Congratulations, guys.
Hey, it's Anita Simpson, that's right. And adjust your whatever device you're hearing this on. It's me, live and in stereo. No return engagements, no encore, and this time, absolutely no requests. Get a snack, settle in, because I'm about to tell you the story of my quarantine life.
Many people think working at home would be great. However, I have found it to be a little overwhelming. Binge watching on Netflix is an easy pastime. There is always plenty of laundry to do. And there's nothing like playing a good board game. Being quarantined has given me an opportunity to I can't say all my life I've been on the go. Now this is the best I can do. When there's nothing else, there's always plenty of yard work. I've even found time to become a gamer.
Oh, I can't get that close to it, it's gonna get me.
Early mornings, I usually start with a good workout. And then nothing like taking lessons from your son.
Whoa, that was amazing.
I have participated in way too many Nerf gun battles. And what fun I have found in TikTok.
I'm sorry. Psych.
Don't be shy, put some more. Put some more. Put some more. Don't be shy, put some more. Put some more. And now, finally, I have time to read a good book.
Thank you for watching.
Anita Simpson, and that's it. Schools are closed, events are canceled, and we are just quarantined.
Good morning, fellas. Good to have you guys with us today. Coach Rogers and I are come on, Coach Rogers. He's with us today, and we're going to show y'all some exercises that you need to be doing at home while you're on this lockdown business. So you can do your stretches, and we'll just have a good time together this morning. Coach, you ready to get started?
Sure. Let's go ahead. All right. Let's see. Do you want to go ahead and see how far you can get? See if you can get down to your toes.
Well,
maybe.
You already don't think I can get down there?
I don't know.
All right, Coach, I can get down there just like that. Is that right?
We'll try. I think that's right. Wait a second. Is that a phone I see in your pocket? Coach, you know phones aren't allowed. You know phones aren't allowed.
You gonna try that?
Is that? I think I will. And we're gonna have to do some exercises.
I'll get it back with Mr. Pinson later.
Okay, appreciate it. We're gonna have to continue in our exercises. That just means more exercises for you. That's all that means.
All right.
All right, let's see if we can get down there and just go as far as you can. Don't hurt yourself now, Coach.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's about it.
All right, that's fine.
That's about it.
All right. How about let's go into some push-ups. All right.
Okay.
Let's go
All
into
right.
Let's go for 10. Let's try 10.
Okay.
All right.
We can handle that.
All right.
All right.
Here we go. We're gonna count them out. All right. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Coach, I just realized you weren't even dressed out.
Well, Coach, my mom didn't get my clothes clean.
Oh, your mom. So it's like you, your mom.
She didn't have my clothes.
Okay. Really?
Well, actually, I got some others in my
Who's
locker.
wearing your clothes, Coach? Wearing your clothes, Coach? Is your mom wearing your clothes, or you wearing your clothes? It's your responsibility.
Now, guys, see, that's what I hear from y'all all the time. But I didn't realize we were going to do this today, but we'll just have to go with this today.
All right. Well, how about we hold a plank for 10 seconds?
All right.
Let's hold a plank for 10. All right. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Got it?
That's a good plank, Coach.
All right.
Good plank.
Good deal.
All right. Let's see. What? Give me an idea. What you want? What's the next thing you want?
Let's do some stretches right here.
All right. How about this? Let's go right arm across. Let's go right arm
Here
across.
on this, okay.
All right. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Other arm. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. How about that last one that we call it the Michael Phelps?
Yeah, Michael Phelps.
I like that one. That was pretty
You
good.
like that? Okay,
Yeah,
we'll
that
get
stretched
that one.
me out. Hopefully it'll stretch you out.
You ready?
All right. Here we go. Let's go for it. All right. Pull 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Good deal.
How about this? How about we end off in some jumping jacks?
That sounds good to me, Coach.
And spelling out wolves. How about that?
We got it.
All right, you got it? We
Uh-huh.
good? All right,
Good.
ready, and go.
WOLVES.
All right, Coach.
Good deal.
All right, we good? We good, Coach?
We're good. Hey, want to say one thing, you guys. Always go Wolves. This thing won't last forever, but tough people do last.
Remember, we may not be together in person, but all of you are in our hearts as we send you House from Home.